Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day today. I wanted to come on here today and do a flip through of the Mythographic Dragonspell by Joseph Catimbang. This is a new release and it's beautiful. And I haven't done one in a long time, so I figured let me just get on here and do one. And so, again, the thing I love about the Mythographics, I mean, every page you could color on. It's just really, really pretty. And the illustrations are really nice. They're intricate. Look at that. I just love these books. And these are definitely dragons, which I love. Oh, there's her face. Very pretty. I'm just going to do a quick flip through on this, guys, but oh, that's beautiful. Love. And of course, the paper is really nice. It's not a stark white paper. It's kind of an off-white paper, but it's just beautiful paper. I love this. So guys, I'm going to put the rest of this to music and enjoy this beautiful book, okay? And please hit like and subscribe. And let me know if you want to see more of these type of videos. I certainly have a lot more coloring books that I have to get a video up on. But for now, enjoy this one and hit the notification bell so you're alerted to all new videos. And have a great day, guys. Until next time.